Welcome to Tepi Tepi channel. Let's have some fun together. Hi kids, do you like animals? We are going around the world today to meet wild animals. Let's look at the world map. And our first trip to Australia. Koala, turtle, crocodile. They are from Australia. Let's go to Antarctica. Polar bear, penguins. They are from Antarctica. Do you like our trip? And now we are going to Africa. Let's go! Lion, elephant, giraffe. They are from Africa. Hey kids, what the next? Let's see the map again. It is Asia. Great! Monkey, panda. Now you know panda is from Asia. It is here. Well done! And our next destination is Europe. Great! Squirrel, deer. So, you can meet me in Europe. Okay kids, we are going to North America. Raccoon, grizzly bear. Now you know who lives in North America. Friends, we are going to South America. Enjoy the trip. Llama, toucan. Now you know that llama is from South America. See you! We had a great time together. So what have we seen? Wild animals of the world. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. See you soon.